This is inflection-rs, a Port Mortem track D port from Python to Rust. The source is JP Vanhal inflection. Pinned at commit 88 EFARC 7D0 Kawa 701 AF7 C8 AB2 D0 AB3 F17086 F1, under the MIT license. This video was generated from the exact public revision displayed on screen. All 12 public transformation operations live in a native Rust library. A thin-line-oriented JSON binary gives the Python Oracle and Rust port the same evaluation interface. Python remains only in development comparison tooling. The shipped library and executable do not invoke or link Python, and both create roots for bid and safe Rust. The demo renderer just ran the documented one command build from this clean checkout. It produced the standalone optimized executable shown here. The checksum binds this demonstration to the exact binary that handled the following examples. Each input line receives one structured response. These actual outputs exercise an irregular plural, Unicode parameterization, acronym-aware underscore conversion, and ordinal formatting. The adapter is deliberately small. Transformation logic remains in the Rust library. The renderer then ran the native tests and the preserved original suite from this final checkout. The untouched 455 tests pass against the Python source, then pass again through a bridge that delegates transformations to the live Rust release binary. The bridge's narrow handling of the suite's dynamically added and countable value is explicitly disclosed, and the native mappings also pass. Correctness extends beyond fixtures. The retained differential run compared 2,005,000 shared Python and Rust cases for 60.108 seconds with zero divergences. A separate deterministic sweep matched 1,600,017 broad-Unicode and separator cases against the pinned Unicode version. Benchmarks run only after the outputs match. On this documented 5,000 case ARM64 Mac workload, Python's median batch time was 89.283 milliseconds and Rust's was 26.463 milliseconds. An observed ratio of 3.37. Raw samples, tail latency, startup time, memory, environment details, hashes, and limitations are retained. This is not presented as a universal speed claim. The public repository contains the port, pinned source snapshot, original tests, decision log, evidence, and the continuous integration workflow that reruns the full verification gate. Inflection-rs is standalone, reproducible, and candid about its compatibility boundaries. The exact revision and repository are on screen for review.